Okay, are we ready, Ken? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Have at it, boys and girls. Oh, they're getting at it now. Oh, good hit by 55. Well, fans, we got lots of speed on here in this heat. Give a big cheer if you want to see some hits. Yeah. Oh, good hit over there on the west side. Number 55, he's coming around. He's looking for some fresh meat, ladies and gentlemen. Whoa, blowing off a bit of steam there. High just took a good hit to the front. We got two over in the southwest corner that are locked together. Maybe if somebody gives them a bump, they'll get away. Looks like we're down to about 4 cars here, fans. Oh, just shoving that one right into the corner. Give him another one, finish him off. Looks like fans were down to, oh, they got away. Look at that, ladies and gentlemen. Look at that. That's what you come to see right there. Oh, some good hits, some good hits. Oh, good hit on number 88. Looks like we are down to 3 or 4 cars. Good hit right here. That's it. Throw a bit of dirt. to move the cement and the dirt in. Oh, keep my head down. Maybe my mouth shut too. Look at that, ladies and gentlemen, look at that. We got 4 cars battling it out here in this heat. They just keep going and going. I can't believe car number 55. You take a look at the back end of that car, how it's still going. Lots of heart, lots of heart. There's no back axle hardly left in that car, ladies and gentlemen. It's still going. Dang, finish him off. Car number 777 up against the wall. Oh, letting off a bit of steam there. With that steam coming up, he can't see the accident he's about to get into. Oh, he's still going. We're down to about 3 cars here, ladies and gentlemen. What a wonderful heat. Lots of action. He's lining up, ladies and gentlemen. Is he gonna?
Come on, that's 3, man! It's 3.
Oh.